Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for teaching dressing skills to kids with low strength or really poor coordination. So a really easy trick, one of my very favorite tricks, is to buy clothing 1 or 2 sizes up. The reason being that putting on nice loose clothing is typically much more simple than trying to put on something that's fitted, and your child is going to grow into it anyway. So using 1 size up socks or 2 size up socks, 1 or 2 size up pants, shirts are a wonderful idea. Again, they come in handy because you're going to use them later on down the line, but it's a great way to teach dressing. So if you haven't tried that method, it's simple, it's easy, and ultimately, it's cost effective. So if you haven't done it, give that one a try.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow.